Today, you dive into summer. Skimmer? Check. Shock Extra Blue from the all-new Clorox Pool and Spa line? Check. Quick Pump? Check. Your very own private island? Check.
Pool's open.
Epic Cannonball? Done. With everything you need for pool time, at Walmart's low prices you can trust every day, what project will you take on?
Walmart, everyday low price. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation. It operates and owns its hypermarkets. The company was founded in 1962 by Sam Watson, but it was incorporated on October 31st, 1969. It has its retail shop all over the world. Walmart owns and operates Sam's Club of Warehouse. It is the fast-moving company with high profits and financial. It treats its employees as associates. Now, Walmart has been shifted from retail shops to e-commerce. How Walmart allows everyday low price. Walmart has huge bargaining power when it comes to its suppliers. Many brands depend on Walmart in order to stay in business. Walmart sells pretty much compared to others. Taking that into account, Walmart could make more money even the margins are smaller.
90% of Americans live within the Walmart and they prefer to use physical stores as the spot of clothing, clothes, household and food. The huge reliable customers base keeps them low price.
Now let's see the strategies followed by Walmart. Walmart follows cost leadership strategy. It is nothing but purposely lowering down the cost in the market. Walmart provides opportunity to increase market share. It provides a sustainability for a business. By following cost leadership strategy, it creates income to gain a business in the future. In 2014, Walmart faced a stiff competition of growth competition with Amazon. Walmart has been focusing everyday low price and further pushing the strategy abroad. Interestingly, Walmart's success has been limited in international expansion. Cost leaders tend to do some characteristics in lowering the price. The ability to charge low price and still make a profit is challenging. The cost leaders manage to do so by emphasizing effectiveness in production, manufacturing, sales and service sector. Dominates many retail categories and compete against the Kmart and other retail shops. Their concept is to attract large number of customers with low price of general merchandise. Walmart is good at cost advantage. They control their cost and seek efficiency out of supply chain. A large part of Walmart's strategy is to meet with the vendor and truly understand the vendor cost. It learns how the vendor cut down the cost in order to capture a win-win relationship with both parties.
All in all, by implementing the cost leadership strategy, successfully Walmart has become from a single store to biggest retailer all over the world. The cost management strategy of Walmart will create a operational model with low cost, which increase the margin of profit on the financial statement. Moreover, the cost management strategy had dragged Walmart into the right direction of the investment and expand radically around the distribution center. The people management strategy inspiring all associates to work more efficiency and create a great workplaces.
We can learn from the Walmart. The cost leadership is a driving force, and Sam Watson guiding a principles of low cost leadership can be super effective.